Jumping over, oh, a little carp jumping over there. Yes, I think if we catch anything, so right in here. Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. No, was that my lot rod?
Did you just cast it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That was it. Yeah. I'm hooked up on that grass there. Oh, I've got to go again because I'm hooked up on that little bit of weed. Your mum weeded a little bit all last night. She paid me. No, she did it in my toilet. She was using my facilities. Oh, fuck. Snagged. Oh, fuck.